So here we comes to the end of the chapter of the standard normal distribution. The z-score, which is standardized value. What is the z-score? It is a standardized value. And its distribution is the standard normal. And it is represented by that it belongs to, it is distributed normally with the mean 0 and standard deviation 1. The mean of the z-score is always 0 and the standard deviation is unitary 1. If z is the z-score for any value x, if z is the z-score for any value of x from the normal distribution n mu, that is the mean value, and standard deviation sigma, then z-score will tells you how many standard deviation x is greater or below than the average value mu. Further, let us review the formulas which we have taken here. We have talked about any random variable, continuous random variable, which is normally distributed. So we write it like this, which is normally distributed with the mean and the standard deviation. This represent mean and this represent standard deviation. The standard normal distribution, we talked about the standard normal distribution is where the standard normal distribution ka kya case hai? Where mean is 0, standard deviation is 1. How to get the Z transformation? We have studied the Z transformation is done with the using this formula. This is to get the formula for the Z score for any x value. What is that? Z is a Z score of any random variable x. So considering all this, and one more important point that we have used is the empirical rule. The 68%, 95, not exactly 68, it is about a rounding off at 68% for plus minus standard deviation 1. It is 95% for plus minus standard deviation 2, and it was around 99% for standard deviation plus minus 3. What is this? This is a, if x consider to the random continuous random variable, then 68% is the chances that it will find between this range. 95% that the probability that this value of the x will lie between this range. 99% probability that the x random variable will lie between this range. So considering all this important points, the numericals related to the normal distribution can be solved easily. So here we close this topic.